In your Zoom meeting, click on Breakout Rooms if you haven't done so already. Whether you decide to pre-assign breakout rooms or do it on the fly, you will have several options available to you in the Breakout Rooms window. You are able to access these options if your rooms were pre-assigned or after you have selected Create Breakout Rooms. Here, you have the option to move participants to different rooms, exchange one participant for another in a different room, rename rooms, delete rooms, and see how many participants are in each one. You can go to the bottom left corner to view options. You have the option to move all participants into rooms automatically, meaning that when you click Open All Rooms, they will automatically be assigned to their rooms. You can decide if you'd like to allow participants to return to the main session at any time. You can choose to have the breakout rooms automatically close after a certain amount of minutes, and choose if you'd like to be notified. You are also able to set a countdown timer, which will begin after the Close All Rooms button is clicked. When you are ready to launch your breakout rooms, select Open All Rooms. If you selected the option to move all participants to breakout rooms automatically, they will be moved. If not, participants will be given a prompt to join their assigned breakout room. If they do not select Join, they will remain in the main room. When breakout rooms are active, as the host, you are able to join any room at any time by clicking Join beside the name of the room. When you are finished in the room, you will select breakout rooms from the main menu and either choose a new room to join or select Leave. As the host, you also have the option to move participants from one room to another by clicking Move To beside the participant's name. You can broadcast a message that will be sent to every breakout room by clicking the Broadcast a Message to All button at the bottom of the Breakout Rooms window. If you did not choose to keep the breakout rooms open for a set amount of time, you can manually end the breakout rooms by clicking the Close All Rooms button. Because we chose to have a 10-second warning, after closing the rooms, you will see this countdown timer here. You are able to get back to your meeting by closing the breakout room window. If at any point you would like to relaunch the breakout rooms with the same participants, simply open the breakout room window again and click Open All Rooms. If you want to adjust the breakout rooms later in the meeting, you can do so in two ways. You can manually move participants by selecting Move To beside their names, or you can do it by selecting Recreate. You can adjust the settings and select Recreate All Rooms.